Welcome to CBT Exam Creator video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to change the class name and disable the class visibility. Now, the beauty about CBT Exam Creator software is that it can be used for a variety of purposes in conducting CBT exams or tests. Now, you can actually use CBT exam to conduct internal exams in your school, irrespective of the kind of school. If you are running a secondary school, primary school, even a nursery school, or you are running an higher institution, a tertiary institution, university, polytechnic, monotechnic, it can be used to conduct an examination for that. Now, if you know how to change the class name, you can do that. It's as simple as that. The class name, in this case, we can see that we've already changed it initially. That's why we are saying this. But if you install the software for the first time, what you're going to be seeing is class 1, class 2, class 3. So in a case whereby you want to change this, you just click on that particular class, go to main settings, and you can change the class name. So if you want to change this to .100 level, you can change it. Click on save, and it changes to 100 level. So if we go back to the exam, we'll see that it's now showing as 100 level. Now the logo, you can also change the logo. Click on the class, go to main settings, and you can upload a logo that you want to use for that. So you can change that. It's as simple as that. Now, should in case you want to change it to an examination name, let's say you are running a monotechnic and each of these classes you want a situation whereby it will be for each courses. So you can actually decide and say, okay, since you want it to be for each course, just click on main setting and change it to the course name. Advanced Biochemistry. Advanced Biochemistry, course code AV199. Upload the logo and save it. So with this, we have been able to save we have been able to update the name and change the name to any name we want it to be. So that's what the student is going to be seeing to be able to start the examination on that particular platform. So the student will see that, and when they click on it, they can now see the subjects that have been added to that particular class. It's as simple as that. So the class can actually be an exam name or be a class on its own. Let's say SS1, 100 level, 200 level. It can be an exam name, or it can actually be a course, depending on how you actually want the CBT platform to operate. So it's less for you to know what you want to make as the name. Now, the next part is that we're going to see how we can actually disable this so that the student will not see the class. Now, for classes, for instance, we can see that in this class, it's not really in use. So if we don't want the student to see it, although in the server, you will be able to see it as the admin, but for the students that are doing the examination, they might, if you don't want them to see it, all what you do is that you click on that particular class, go to the same main setting, and go to CBT status, then click on disable and update. Now, going back to exam, we are still going to see it on the server, but on the student part, the client part, you can see that 9 is no more showing. That is because it has been disabled. So you can actually disable that, and if you want to go back and enable it, it's as simple as the way you disabled it. So just go back to the 9, go back to your main setting and enable it, and the student will start seeing it. So in a situation whereby you have only SS1, you want only SS1 to do the exam at that moment, just disable the others so that the SS1 will see only SS1 and they won't see the other. But if you want a situation whereby they will see everything at once, it's good by you to do that. You can actually still enable all of them and make them see it. That's how simple it is to change the name of the class and also disable its visibility. Thank you for watching this video, and watch other videos to learn how to effectively use the software. Thank you.